say, man, look, man, I just clocked out. I literally just got off work, bro. I literally just got off work, and I found what I've been looking for. Look, well, technically I done hit 5,600 miles on my charger, so it's time to hit the 5K update on my charger. But first, I'm gonna come out with this video first, because I gotta drop this banger real quick. So, you know, being that this RT is my daily driver, it's time to replace that daily driver so this can technically become my weekend car. So, boomski. I was searching for a couple weeks. You know, I've been working hard at work. So while I'm not at work, I was searching a couple dealerships. You know, I was gonna make videos on them, but I decided not to. But I found what I was looking for. I definitely found what I was looking for. So I just got off work. I'm on the way now to the dealership because I'm ready to go pick that bad boy up. Pay straight cash for that thing because we ready to get active. So now we're going to have content for the RT, and we're going to have content for this mystery vehicle that I'm on the way to go pick up. But I'm definitely going to come out with that. I need to do a lot of videos. I'm so behind right now. I did some mods off YouTube to my car, so I need to give y'all an update on that. I need to give y'all a 5K update on how I like the RT. It's just so many things I gotta upgrade y'all with. But if y'all follow me on IG, y'all might have seen some of the upgrades. So I'm gonna leave the link to the IG in the description. And I just recently made a Snapchat exclusive for car things only. So I'm gonna leave that in the description too as well. So look, I need y'all to comment, like, subscribe. I need y'all to blow this thing up because I'm ready to off and running. Now I got 2 vehicles I can do. Oh my God, I got so many videos to make on the RT. I got so many videos, man. I'm so behind, y'all. I've been doing so much off camera work, man. But look, we trying to hit them 1,000 subscribers, bro. I'm not settling for 500. I'm shooting straight for a band. We get 1,000 subscribers by December. I'm gonna give away a copy of Madden or 2K or Mortal Kombat, just because that just dropped. Either 2K, Madden, or Mortal Kombat, your choice of console. And it depends on how quick we hit it. If we hit it in if it's some crazy stuff we hit in November, bro, I give out 2 copies. 2 copies of the game of your choice, Madden, 2K, or Mortal Kombat, and the console of your choice. And once we start entering the 800 sub mark, I start promoting how you to enter that after you subscribe. I might just do it through IG, you know. Just follow me on IG. Make sure you comment under the YouTube post, and then I will DM the winners on IG, and then I will promote the winners in the next video after I ship everything off and whatnot, you know. Make a little video. Matter of fact, I'm gonna include the video. If I don't do a digital, if I do a disc copy, it depends on what they do. I might do the mailing video in the beginning of the next video that I have, so y'all actually see me mail off the game or whatever, or send the code off, whatever, you know. But yeah, we ready to get this channel active, man. We ready to light it up. I'll pick y'all up when we get to the dealership, boys. Hey, look, man. Sorry I couldn't pick y'all up at the dealership, bro. The old head was tweaking, bro, and I tried to record. He didn't really want me to record into the dealership. So I'm about to go ahead and reveal to y'all right now. So this is gonna be a quick video. I ain't really got too much to say, but look. This the big sister right here. This the OG. Y'all know about the big sister. This right here. This the little brother right here. This the little brother right here. That's the little brother right here. That's the little brother right here. 6-inch lift kit. I think it's a country. It's not a. I think it's a. I can't remember what lift they put on it for me. It got the I put everything on the screen. I got the notes. Got steps. Texas edition. Fully custom GMC Sierra. D-Bash in the back. Whoo, that thing clean. That thing clean. But I write everything it got in there. It got a rebuilt the transmission. 5.7. Got a 5.7 engine in there. 6-inch lift kit. Like I said, I get to my notes, you know. Ooh wee. Got the Mayhems on there. Got the Mayhems on there. That's too hard. Red brake calibers. Too hard, too hard. I know it's super windy, man. I know it's super windy, so the sound might be a little crazy. But yeah, man. Just the new. I'm gonna be making videos on here. I'm gonna be making videos on that. Keep in mind, that's the big sister right there. This right here, the little brother. Little brother just joined the family, man. GMC Sierra, man. If y'all can guess in the comments what year this is. If anybody can guess in the comment what year this is, I will. I don't know if people using Cash App, but I Cash App whoever get it. The first person who get it, I Cash App them $20 if you can decide what year this is. GMC Sierra now. Y'all never get it. I guarantee y'all ain't gonna get it. But man, look, that's the end of the video, man. I'm sorry I couldn't get the dealership when I was at the dealership picking it up. Buddy was kind of on demon time today. He didn't really want me to record, so I had to respect that. New edition, man. New edition, man. So look, I got a lot of content coming to the channel, man. I got 2 vehicles. Got 2 vehicles. So I need y'all support to help me work on little brother right here and keep getting big sister right here, man. I should pop the hood and give y'all a sneak peek of what I already put on there, but that's for another video, man. Stay tuned, man. Whoo! I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Join the agent game, man. Join the agent game, man. We out.